Assalamualaikum and hi. Nama saya Siti Nurihan Jerazali dan nombor matrik saya H20A1780. Saya ingin menerangkan tentang jurnal. Dalam akaun, jurnal perlu diwujudkan terlebih dahulu untuk mengetahui kedudukan setiap item sama ada di debit atau di kredit. Jurnal juga membantu dalam ledger bagi memastikan setiap nilai dalam akaun itu tidak menjejaskan keseimbangan juga. Jurnal juga memastikan setiap pembelian dan penjualan secara hutang atau tunai berada di kedudukan yang betul.
Hi everyone, I am Supin, daughter of Ebun. Today I want to present about ledger account. In study case 2, there are 14 ledger account, that is cash account, capital account, purchase, account payable cards, account receivable, DARS, sales, purchase return, furniture, sales return, personal use, loan, salary, stationery, and interest. For example, 1 October 2020, capital RM 80,000 in the side debit in cash account, and cash RM 80,000 in the side credit in capital account. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Amni Atirah binti Jusura. My matric note is H20A1464. Okay, today I want to present subject basics accounting for trial balance of Noah business. Okay, let's see the table of trial balance of Noah business. Okay, for particular, on debit side, we have purchases 20,000, purchases cash 25,000, car return 2,000, furniture capital 15,000, car cash 12,000, sales return dash 3,000, cash loan 30,000, salary cash 5,000, stationery cash 1,000, loan cash 18,000, cash interest 4,000. Okay, for credit side, we have capital 80,000, dash sales 25,000, cash sales 15,000, purchases personal use took by Noah 3,000, cash dash 12,000. Okay, the last result of trial balance, we can see debit and credit are balanced, which is 135,000. Okay, that's all for trial balance of Noah business. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurhayati binti Muhammad Yusuf. My matric number is H20A1382. Now I want to explain about the statement of profit and loss. Okay, for profit and loss, the sale is 40,000 minus sale return 3,000, we got 37,000. For cost of goods sold, purchase 42,000 minus purchase return 2,000, we got 40,000. And then sale minus cost of goods sold, 37,000 minus 40,000, we got negative 3,000. And then we plus revenue, interest receipts 4,000, we got 1,000. And then we minus expenses, salary 5,000, stationery 1,000, the total is 6,000. And then revenue 1,000 minus expenses 6,000, we got a lost profits 5,000. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum Madam. My name is Hamizan bin Mufti, no matrix H20B1157. So today I will talk or present about my balance sheet based on the case study. So for the current asset, we have the first one is cash and cash equivalent, 61 10,000. And then the second is account receivable, 10,000. And the last one is inventory, 21,000. For the non-current asset, we have property, plant and equipment, which is amount 16,000. So total asset is 108,000. About the liability and capital, for the current asset, we have account payable, which is 6,000. And the non-current asset, non-current liabilities is, the first is loan, which is 12,000. And for the capital, NOA, retaining earning, 77,000 and 11,000. So total liability and capital is 106,000. That's it from me, madam. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Cikgu Nur Farizatul binti Cikgu Abdullah. Metric number is 2081119. Today I want to present about the usefulness of the statement of profit and loss and the usefulness of the balance sheet statement. Okay, first, the usefulness of the statement of profit and loss. A profit and loss statement is one of the three types of financial statements prepared by companies. The two others being the balance sheet and the cash flow statement. The purpose of the profit and loss statement is to show the revenues and expenditures of the company over a specific period of time, usually one of fiscal year. Using this information, investor and analysts can assess the profitability of the company, often combining this information with insight from two other financial statements. For instance, an investor might calculate a company's return equity (ROE) by comparing its net income as shown as the P&L to its level of shareholders' equity as shown as on the balance sheet. Among the keywords to understand the statements of profit and loss is a financial statement that includes income, costs, and expenses incurred within a specific period. The profit and loss P&L statement is one of the financial statements issued by the public company quarterly and annually, along with the balance sheet and cash flow statement. It is important to compare a profit and loss from different accounting periods as change in income, operating costs, R&D expenses, and net income over time are more meaningful than the figures themselves. Along with the balance sheet and cash flow statement, the profit and loss P&L statement provides an in-depth overview of the company's financial performance. Okay, next is the usefulness of the balance sheet statement. A balance sheet reports a company assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity at a specific point in time. It provides basic for computing rates of return and evaluating the company's capital structures. The financial statement provides a snapshot of what a company owns and owes, as well as the amount invested by shareholders. The balance sheet shows as a company resources are assets, and it also shows how those assets are financed, whether through debt up under liabilities or by issuing equity as shown is shareholder equity. The balance sheet provides both investors and creditors with a snapshot of how effectively a company management uses its resources. Just like to other financial statements, the balance sheet is used to conduct financial analysis and calculate final ratios. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurdana binti Zamri, my matric card H20A1608. Based on the case study given regarding Noah business, we learn a lot from a research on how to manage a good grounding in financial accounting. Besides, we also have analysed that the Noah company was being financially successful. We also understand the purpose of each system in accounting that needs accurate data to prevent the mistakes when handling a business. Okay, so firstly is journal that records all the related of financial transactions. Next is ledgers, the book that contain many account names, and all of the ledger must be done with closing the account by using the balance of CD and BD. Next, we also gain a knowledge of how to prepare a trial balance. And if the total of our both sides are not balanced or slightly different, it shows that the account is error. Thus, we need to identifying the mistake from the account that we have been prepared before. Moreover, we also get to know about how to find the profit and loss. The statement of profit and loss is used to track how much the company managed, either gain the profit or loss. Lastly, we also gain a knowledge on how to prepare a balance sheet statement in order to know the balance of the asset, liability, and capital of the business. With all the accounting information, it can help Mr. Noah to plan for the future for his company.